Hello and welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach, and I'm going to try to get a couple of episodes in tonight with some tasty beverage and some tasty junk food. But I did my workouts today. It was a P90X chest and back, abs, which of course gives you those nice solid rock hard abs. And then I went for a walk with my wife after dinner. So I burned calories today. I deserve this. Of course, these chips are really crunchy too, but they're so tasty. I also realized that I have with this one, not with this one, but now that I'm having this one, there's only 3 left in my fridge. And I think I've said this many times before. I don't drink a lot. I know I'm having videos where I'm having a glass of wine or having a beer, but truth be told, I don't really drink that much at all. So I can go get like 2 6-packs of beer or whatever, and that's going to last me for months. I don't drink that much. But it's getting low, so you have to make a trip and get some. So in any event, what am I going to do tonight? I am going to work on an analyzer. So this analyzer is for CSLA, of course. And it's one where any data portal operation should return... Wow. These chips are these salt and pepper chips, and sometimes you get a lot of pepper on a chip. It gives it that special little kick. So any data portal operation or method should just return either void or task. Okay, so it shouldn't return anything else. You shouldn't return a task of T. You shouldn't return a value, because these methods don't return anything. If they do, that's useless. It's not going to be picked up by anything. So we thought about this. So I said, let's make an analyzer. It looks for data portal operations. And if they do return anything other than void or task, return an error. Now, I originally thought I couldn't do a code fix for this because, well, what could you do? And then I thought about it, and I'm like, well, wait a minute. If the method is not asynchronous, then it probably should return void. If it is async, it should probably return task. So provide a code fix based on what the method is. Oh crap! I took my ring off when I took a shower, and now I'm like, I don't have it on, so I'm like, I feel so naked. So anyway, so I should be able to do that. If the method is async or not, I should be able to provide a code fix for one or the other, and not both. And code fixes you don't have to take, but I'll think about that. Definitely the analyzer. So. What the heck did I'm a moron. Oh my god. I have over here on my other screen the stuff, and I thought it was in Visual Studio, but it wasn't. I was over here. I just want to make, yeah, okay. So let's come over here and let's go look at how we can copy and paste code, because that is the best code to write. What do we want to call this? Names are important. So, should we call it evaluate operation return values? That sounds gold right there. Evaluate. What did I just say? This reminds me of, because I'm a big Rush fan. It reminds me when the guys in the band would talk about recording. I'm putting so much on the stack here. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh man. I'm like jumping so much over here. Okay. Yeah, that's just some notes about some things I want to do. What was I going to call? Evaluate operation return. So maybe this isn't what I just said. Evaluate operation return value. Okay. Analyzer. So I forgot to mention, I did put the Chudnovsky pi calculation stuff out. You can see right here out in I don't put the link there. This is the README file, but I did put it as a repo up in GitHub. I did play with some stuff to get the number to print out, and it seems like I was getting thousands of digits of precision, which is pretty good. I did play with, there's a package out there called math.net, and if you get the F# package, they have a big rational type or a rational type in there. I tried to play with it, and there's also one in a older package from something called Microsoft Foundation Solver. They have a big rational in it. I just got to the point of, this is supposed to be a fun little thing, and I'm fighting their APIs, and I was like, nah, I'm done. So if people want to play with it, from what I did, go ahead. Okay, Rush. So I would read interviews by the band. They'd talk about how they would be, the creative writing process would go, and they would say Alex is very spontaneous, and he would just sit there and play and jam and come up with these riffs and just play. And then they'd be like, hey, you just played something that was really cool. What was that? And he'd be like, I don't know. It's like he had no recollection of what he just did like 2 seconds ago. All right, so let's... A little form of a fuff. This is the fun about doing these things, because I totally forget what it is that I do. You know what I mean? Like, how did I get this to work before? Okay. I think I can probably steal some code from here. So I'll do this. I'll move my mic a little. There we go. Do that. Yes. You know what? Let's just... No. Let's just do this. Let's copy all the usings for the win. I may not need all of them, but I'm probably going to. Okay, we need to do that. This is all the yak shaving, or whatever you call it. What all the cool kids are calling. Oh yeah, I gotta do that too. Should only return void or task rule. We're up to 11. Define operations with incorrect return types. And then oh, yeah. No. Where is this hiding? Does everyone have... Oh, yeah, that's how I did it. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm good with that. I'm good with that. Which one's the copy? That one is. Find operations with incorrect return types. Find operations with incorrect return types. Operation return type. The return type from an operation should be either void or task. Okay. We want that. Want that. It's going to be an error. We already decided that. Help URI. Help. This is where I use this one. Do I have the name find? Yeah, let's do this. Let's actually, because that's what I'm kind of leaning towards anyway. No. Come on, ask me to change the file name. Ask me to change the file name. Oh, you just put the carrot in the wrong place, the thing and the stuff. Okay. We're good now? Yeah, I think we're good. Okay. That's a little helper method I did so that I'll have to put something out on the GitHub site so that I don't forget that. Alright. Sorry for the crunching, but, it is who I am. Why has it got a little squiggle? Holy crap, really? Is it that good? Oh my god. Oh my, I was doing this in not alphabetical order. I was expecting, and maybe I shouldn't, because in this case, incrementally adding them is a good idea. That actually should be here and that. But that is amazingly cool. Then it reminds me is that if I go to the errors here, there are some like configure generated code analysis. So I was like, what is that? And I clicked on this, and it's like it also says that enable concurrent execution. But I don't want it to be in place of configure generated code analysis, analyze, report diagnostics. Like, why would I do these things? But it's obvious that it's throwing in some analyzer checks for analyzers, which kind of mind-blowing, but cool. Okay, so if we come back here, make that 12, you should go away. Right? Because, yep, it took a little second for it to figure that out, but wow, I have to give it credit. That's actually a cool one. All right. All right. Okay, so do that. We'll want to do a another analyze method declaration thingy. And I'm just kind of curious. Let's try to do that here. See, that just took it. That's not what I want. I mean, I got it registered, so it calls it. I mean, it seems like I want to do all those. Maybe. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to handle all those after this because I don't want to screw anything up. All right. We need that boilerplate code. I guess I could put in the method symbol if it's actually in part of a stereotype, but never mind. Now here comes a code that I actually have to write. If it returns void, well, that's easy. If method, okay, if not, method symbol returns void, or method symbol ref kind. I should just say task is async. Oh, but you can't assume that they'd actually have a task there or not. But it's good to have is async there. I might need to use that. Is there a way to get? I might have already done this in CSLA, I just don't remember. To get a symbol by a type. Look that up. I'm going to do that over here. Getting type from a symbol in Roslyn. No, I want to go the other way. The fully qualified name of a type. No. No. I'm sure there's a way to do this, I just can't remember. I don't know. I don't remember if there is. Yeah, these are all symbols again. Again, type will give me the type of the... It's not what I want. It's not... Yeah, sure. Special type? Would you be so kind to have task in there? No, you wouldn't. You would not. Is there a way to say, is there? I thought there was some kind of namespaces and types. No. I thought there was a way to say its symbol from type. You're not helping. You're not helping. Maybe I should look that up in my book. Yeah. Get typed by metadata name. Oh. That could work. Yeah, I thought there was something like that. So, context compilation, get type by metadata name. Fully qualified metadata name. Yeah, so I guess that's why we're going to be writing tests, right? Using its canonical CLR metadata name. Is that the same thing as the assembly qualified name? It's like ships in the night. They just go, phew. Oh, but this makes all the sense in the world to the people on the Roslyn team. What's your problem? Is it full name? We'll do this for now. Okay, and actually, do they have one? No, you wouldn't. I want to unroll the return type equals. Oh, well, here we go. So if it's not one of these, why don't you like that? Compare symbols correctly. What the hell is equals? Well, I know, okay, I know what equals is. That sounded really stupid. But why? That just seems weird to me. Why is that, like... Okay, I'm looking over here for this thing. No, I don't want to go there. You guys need to document your crap. Like what we're doing in CSLA, which is so awesome. It goes right to the page. Yeah, whatever. Okay. So it's not one of these. Then I report a diagnostic. Where we want to report the diagnostic is argument. Yeah, so we want method symbol return type 0 locations of 0. Yeah, and it's just that easy. And it's going to work completely. No problem. Yeah, don't believe me? No, I won't believe me either. I would not believe me either. All right. So we're going to need some... I said that I could do the code fix, but let's get tests around this first. Right? Right. Yes. Correct. Why doesn't... Should we just move it over for you? All right. So we're going to need tests. Like that. What does he use again? Oh yeah, he uses that antiquated MS test crap. Hey, when in Rome, right? When in Rome. All right, do this, that, thing, stuff. That. Oh, you don't know what that is. Okay. Now you do. Find operations with that. That should be error. That. And that. Right? I think so. Do we get that right? Do we get one right? Maybe. Maybe. Possibly. Maybe. Oh, well, okay, it's green, so that's good. Analyze with not mobile object. Yes, we should do that. Because we don't want this firing on mobile objects. Mobile. They're not immobile. They're mobile. They're fluid. I get loopy at night. I was actually trying the last 2 days to get up at like 6 because in some ways actually doing stuff in the morning I tend to be a little bit more focused, but the last 2 mornings I've just like hit my snooze for over an hour, and I'm like, I gotta start working, so that didn't work. So I said, no, let's do this. All right. Did I change that? Yes, okay. Method is not yet. We gotta check that too. Copy all the pastes. Paste all the copies. Analyze with mobile object. The method is... We don't care if it's a root or a child. We just care if it's an operation. So I think what I want to say here is analyze with mobile object, and method is operation returning void. That should be okay. Returning task. And now we need using system threading tasks. I knew that. I really did. Async task. That should be fine. Methods operation returning incorrect type. Just make it do a string. And now this is where things go haywire. Right. 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 All right. All right. All right. I said that twice now tonight, didn't I? Maybe that's why I don't have as many subscribers. You are so annoying. Okay, so let's check out these puppies. You're so cute. And no. Nothing ever works right the first time. And if it does, it means you're the idiot. And by you, I mean me. So I'll go over this real quick. That's too easy. That's just too easy. So we do that. Train task. Incorrect type. Wow. I can't believe myself. I can't believe it. It is incorrect. It's wrong. I can't be right the first time. I don't think I've done this. Actually, there was a article that somebody recently talked about. It was referring to an issue I put on where if you have a project with analyzers and you reference that project from another project, that the analyzers should just work in that project. And that would actually make integration testing like this so much easier. I could get rid of this V6 project crap, which I only do because this is really the only feasible way to do this. But to just do that, oh my God, that would make the integration project so much easier. I could just go in there, it'd be referencing the analyzer project, and it would just work. You know, and that would be the way to do it, because I just never do analyzers as extensions. Anyway, let's see. You're here. Does it? Yeah, it does remember that. Okay. Is that right? We're going to find out. No. We're going to come over here. We're going to say m:\JSON personal code project CSLA CSLA, source, CSLA, analyzers, integration tests. Now let's see if this actually lights up. I'm going to add a class. Now my pack. No, I don't want any of this stupid crap. Okay. Add class operation return values. Okay. Go. Bye. Public class operation business BB business base of, not that. Oh, I didn't inherit. Yes, and you need to be serialized. I love it. Okay, so we're going to have a private void data portal underscore fetch. That should be okay. It is. Yeah, it's unused. I get it. Go away. Private void foo should have nothing. Private async task int ID, just to disambiguate. Okay, why is your problem? Oh, I don't need to, for what I need to do, it doesn't need to be, async, why are you doing? Why do you have to be so precise? Task, completed task. There. You good? Happy? Good. Fine. Go away. Here's the kicker. Oh, let's put in a GUID here, just to... Alright. Private string data portal fetch. And you didn't pick it up. That's wrong. You should. So this isn't doing it. It is spelled right. Okay. So yeah, something's not right with the test. Let's come back here. And actually, I'm going to cut it here. I'm going to do another video doing more tests, probably looking at doing a code fix, and maybe looking at cleaning up some of these little things that have popped up in the error window that I showed before. So I'm going to stop this episode for now. Thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.